Sandy comes. Sandy comes tonight. Merry Christmas to everyone we know and all of our wonderful supporters, from myself and my husband Alan at Te Reo Singalong, published by The Writing Bug. Lots of thanks to you for your support over the years, and next year I hope everything goes really well for you and that we all have a very happy new year. I'd like to thank Stacey and Graham and Opal singing on that song E Hea Ngā Moe, and Deb for the illustrations, and for all of them for all the work they've done, and our engineers and recording people, and everything has been so helpful. We really appreciate everyone, and Happy New Year, ka kite!